As a human being, each of us has a unique path in entering this world, which is shaped by a certain way of thinking through our family, our culture, and our society. However, as the leader of oneself, one must be accountable for one's own life by setting the goals, finding the purpose of one's life, and being accountable to make it happen. Self-leadership is the foundation that leads us to a higher level of leadership. Leadership starts with the person in each of us. A leader should be accountable not just for his or her own actions, but also accountable for things and unexpected events occurring in his or her life. Although sometimes we cannot change the circumstances that happen to us, we can always be accountable for what kind of responses we make regarding these circumstances. Life begins when you do, as Mary Ann Radmacher asserts. Be accountable for your own actions to make things happen toward achieving your goals. Every day, we have the power to choose how to spend 86,400 seconds of the day with the best intention we can have. Be accountable to choose thoughts and emotions that will empower you to take positive actions as you move through the day. Every second, your brain receives 11 million bits of information, but it only has the capacity to process 40 to 50 bits. Choose wisely on how to use your lens of 40 and 50 bits every second to focus on the thoughts and emotions that will empower you to become a winner instead of becoming a victim. Remember, we are the choices we make. In order for us to make the right choices as we go through the day, it is very important that we invest some time to answer the following powerful questions. Who am I? Where am I coming from? What I'm here for? And what I want to achieve in my lifetime so that at the end, I can say that I have a happy and well-lived life. I believe that each of us is unique as a human being. We have to intentionally spend time to answer the above questions, envisioning the best life you want in the future and starting to develop a roadmap to get there through the power of goal setting. Living your life with intention and attention is the best way to honor the values of self-appreciation, self-respect, and self-accountability. Living in grace will support you to live your best life as per your own definition.